So good afternoon everyone, we're the Marketing Maestros, and let's start by watching a small video which will actually put perspective into how big our company Tata really is. This is my team.
Talent, it made him exceptional. His roots made him humble. Tackles made him tough. The critics, they only made him tougher. Of the many things that made this man, that stubborn little boy, made him great. What drives us from within is what makes us great, driven by design, technology, and the road ahead. Tata Motors, made of great.
As all of you just witnessed, Lionel Messi, one of the biggest footballers in the world, wearing a Tata Motors jersey and promoting them is a very big deal. And now that we have your attention, let's move on to our topic. That is the 4 P's of marketing, the product mix, and the product life cycle, or as we really like calling it, the company life cycle. To start off, a marketing mix consists of a combination of factors that a business can control in order to influence consumers to purchase their products. By strategically manipulating these factors and continuously optimizing them, businesses can serve their customers in long terms, boosting their bottom lines and their sales. Now, Shubham will take you through the products.
Thank you, Aspruha. So the product strategy and mix in Tata Group marketing strategy can be explained as Tata Group is one of the leading conglomerates in India. Tata Group has its presence in several industries and has businesses in its marketing mix spread across the world. Tata Group always focuses on the quality, reliability, and efficiency in its products and are always looking for innovations through its product line. The Tata Group is into the following business verticals as in communication and ITS sector, there is Tata Communications, Tata Teleservices, Tata Consultancy Services, Tata Alexi, and Tata Interactive Services. In consumer and retail sector, there is Tata Sky, Titan, Landmark, Infinity Retail, and Casa Decor. In defense and aerospace sector, there is Tata Advanced Materials, Tata Industrial Services, Tata Technologies, and Tata Manufacturing Services. Next we have is the retail and the infrastructure sector. We have Tata Power, Tata Housing Development Company, Tata Consulting Engineers, and Voltas. And in financial services, there is Tata AIA Life Insurance, Tata AIG General Insurance, Tata Capital, and Tata Investment Corporation. At last, manufacturing sector, there is Tata Chemicals, Jaguar Land Rover, Tata Steel, Tata Motors, and Tata Devu Commercial Vehicle Company. Now Shivani will explain the price strategy of Tata Group.
Thank you, Shubham. The pricing strategy of Tata Group. All Tata companies function independently under their own set or board of directors. All of these businesses are unique and distinct from one another. Therefore, the pricing strategy in its marketing mix follow the individual company decision as they face economic factors, capital, scale, etc. in different industries. Given its market share of USD 116 billion, the Tata Group is definitely the market leader and follow different pricing strategy to capture and maintain market share. Let us discuss about the pricing strategy of some of the Tata groups. First, Tata Motors, leading manufacturer of automobile. Tata Motors is a leading manufacturer of commercial, utility, and multi-utility vehicles. The pricing strategy used by them are dynamic pricing, penetration pricing, economic pricing, predator pricing. Next is Tata Steel. Tata Steel is a leading manufacturer not only in India but in the world. The pricing strategy used by them are benchmark pricing, aggressive pricing, and penetration pricing. And the last is Tata Products. Tata Product has a wide range of FMCG products. The pricing strategy used by them are psychological pricing, dynamic pricing, bundle pricing, and promotional pricing. Now, Hemant will explain you about the place.
So thank you, Sivani. So let's see what are the place or distribution channels that Tata have in different sectors. So first, talking about the distribution channel at Tata Steel. Tata Steel Limited delivers product to their consumer through direct supply channels and from there to stockyards, then consignment agents, and finally to external processing agent. So this steel are not sold in gram wise, but they are sold in tons, and we may also call it as coil. So it is not possible to carry these coils from the manufacturing hub to other yards by roadways or airways. So it is a good practice that it should be carried through railways. Now talking about the distribution channel of Tata Motors. So when a car is manufactured, then from the manufacturing hub, it is supplied to a distributor and then to a consumer. But Tata Auto sector follows different distribution channels. First distribution channel is the company uses its sales representative to deal with dealers directly. The dealers place the order through the sales representative who visit them periodically and the products are delivered directly from the company. In second distribution channel, the company appoints distributor on the basis of district or population that needs to be handled by one distributor. The area of operation and its potential is also taken into consideration. In third distribution channel, the company appoints distributor as well as direct dealers. Basically, distributors have to deal with small dealers who order just small quantities, and the dealers who have strong potential and sales, the company deals with them directly. In fourth distribution channel, the company appoints a C&F agent. So this C&F agent is a clearing and forwarding agent who acts on behalf of the company. The C&F is totally responsible for appointment of distributor and direct sales. This was about the Tata Motors. Now talking about the distribution channel of Tata Chemicals. So Tata Chemical Limited operates in 4 continents covering Asia, Europe, Africa and North America. The company has its own branded stores and they run Tata Kisan Sansar. So this Tata Kisan Sansar is a dedicated network of retail stores by Tata Chemicals. Now the distribution channel of Tata Power. Tata Power caters its products and services centrally operated from the head office. It has also got regional office which spans across various metro and capital cities in most of the states. The website of Tata Power provides an easy access for concerned authorities to get connected with them and discuss about any of the related projects. Now, the distribution channel of Tata Sky. Tata Sky deliver their service at national level. They have segmented the market on the basis of geography, that is north, south, east, and west. So this was all about the place and distribution channel of various sectors of Tata. Now, the promotion part will be explained by Tanmay.
Thank you, Hemant. Now coming to promotion mix. The promotional and advertising strategy in the Tata Group marketing strategy is as follows. Tata Group uses different strategies like employing celebrities to promote products such as Titan, Taj Hotels, and many more. As we know, Katrina Kaif is brand ambassador of Titan Raga watches. South Indian actress Nayantara is the brand ambassador for Tanishq. Tata has had many celebrities to promote their different products. Tata Steel and Tata Motors use print media and television for promotion. Tata Group does not directly promote themselves. Under the individual marketing strategies, the independent firms under it promoting the products or themselves. Defense and consulting does not indulge in mass production. Apart from this, we have personal selling, sales promotion, public selling, and advertisement. In case of advertisement, Tata Motors is responsible for the advertising of its products. The dealer does not play any role in the advertising. The various media used for advertising are TV, newspapers, magazines, hoardings, internet, etc. Now, Ria will explain you the product mix.
Thank you, Tanmay. Now let us understand what exactly is product mix. Product mix is the total products offered by a company. It consists of both product lines and individual products. Product width refers to the number of different product lines the company carries. Product length refers to the total number of items the company carries within its product lines. Product depth refers to the number of versions offered of each product in the line. And consistency is the closeness exhibited by the product lines in production requirements, distribution, and end usage. Tata Group has products whose consistency is low as the product lines are vivid and huge in number. Further, the product mix will be explained by Suraj.
Thank you, Ria. Let us see what Tata Group offers in product mix. In product mix, Tata offers various product lines. It offers automobiles, FMCG products, hotels, aviation, and many other products. In automobiles, they have various products with such as cars, trucks, buses, and defense. Under these categories, we have product depth. I have taken an example in picturized form. Now come to FMCG products. Under this, Tata Tea, Tata Salt, and Tata Coffee are there. Under hotel, we have Taj, Vivanta, Ginger. Under agriculture, we have Tata Agrico, agrochemicals and seeds, fertilizers. Under aviation, we have Vistara and AirAsia. Under hospitality, we have Taj Air, Taj Group, and many others. Now, Parth will explain you further.
Thank you, Suraj. Under Tata, there are various product mix such as Tata Steel in IT and Tata Trend. So under Tata Steel, there are bearing, pig iron, and PCIL, and many more. So under information technology, there are Tata Consultancy Service, Tata Alexi, Nelito System, and many more. In Tata Trend, there are Zudio, Star, and Westside. To add further, there are Starbucks, engineering, and energy sector. So in Starbucks, there are coffee, tea, and beverages. In engineering sector, there are Voltas and Tata Technology, Tata Manufacturing Solutions, and in energy sector, Tata Power and Tata Petronite, and many more. Now, my friend Asprua will further explain.
So under chemicals, we have Rallis India, Tata Pigment Advantage Therapeutics, industrial products, and a lot of other among the same. Financial services include Tata Mutual Funds, Tata AIG Life Insurance, Tata Investment, Tata Capitals. Under industrial equipment, we have air conditioning products, industrial machinery, manufacturing engineering. Under eyewear, they offer various eyewear such as Titan Eye. So under that brand, they offer the frames, lenses, contact lenses. Under Tata Power, they have home automations, solar microgrids, and EV charging. Under jewelry, their main brand is Tanishq, Zoba, and Gold Plus. We have a lot of perfumes for men, both for men and women as well. There are time products such as Titan, Fast Track, Sonata. They offer variety of products. And under telecommunication, we have Tata Teleservices, Tata Communication, Tata Net, and Tata Sky, among the same. Now, Ria will take you through the product mix of Tata Sampann.
Thank you, Asprua. Tata Sampann has products like Basin, ready to cook, pulses, dal, and masala. Under Basin, we have Fine Basin. Under ready to cook, poha, pakoda mix, khichdi mix, among the others. Pulses has rajma and moong. Dal has tur dal, masoor dal, among the others. And masala has pav bhaji, turmeric powder, among the others. And we will now also have the width of the product mix, that is 21, the length is 100, and the depth of the entire Tata product mix is 71. Now Madhura will be explaining the PLC.
Thank you, Ria. Now talking about the product life cycle, the company currently falls under the growth stage because they are majorly focusing on products positioned in the market, increasing sales and improving profit margins. They are aiming at development of consumer demand through marketing and various promotional activities combined with reduction of manufacturing costs. Now, lastly, I would like to conclude by saying that Tata is a very customer-oriented company. They value their customers, which is why we believe that their sales will increase over time. Due to this COVID-19 pandemic, we have seen their overall sales going down, but we can very easily predict that they will come back strongly in the financial year 2021. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.